Imagine being told you're just one step away from diabetes. It's a wake-up call no one wants to receive. But here's the good news: prediabetes isn't a life sentence, it's a warning sign. And with the right changes, you can take back control of your health before it's too late. One of the most powerful ways to do that: the keto diet. Prediabetes happens when your blood sugar levels are higher than normal but not high enough to be classified as diabetes. It's often linked to insulin resistance, where your body struggles to use insulin effectively, causing glucose to build up in your bloodstream. If left unchecked, it can progress to full-blown type 2 diabetes. Most traditional diets focus on cutting calories, but that doesn't address the real problem: carbs. When you eat a high-carb diet, your blood sugar spikes, forcing your body to release more insulin. Over time, this leads to insulin resistance, making it harder for your body to regulate blood sugar. The keto diet works differently by drastically reducing carbs and shifting your body into ketosis, where it burns fat for fuel instead of glucose. This shift has major benefits for prediabetes. By keeping carb intake low, you prevent those blood sugar spikes that lead to insulin resistance. Instead, your body becomes more efficient at using fat for energy, stabilizing blood sugar levels and reducing the risk of developing diabetes. So, what should you eat? The key is focusing on whole, nutrient-dense foods that keep blood sugar in check. Non-starchy vegetables like spinach, kale, and broccoli are packed with fiber and nutrients without causing spikes. Healthy fats from avocados, olive oil, and nuts help keep you full and support stable energy levels. Protein sources like eggs, fatty fish, and grass-fed meat provide essential nutrients without raising blood sugar, but it's just as important to know what to avoid. Sugary foods, grains, and processed snacks can quickly derail your progress. Even foods marketed as healthy, like whole wheat bread or fruit juice, can contain more sugar than you think. Reading labels and tracking carb intake can make all the difference. Beyond diet, other lifestyle factors play a huge role in blood sugar control. Poor sleep and chronic stress can raise cortisol levels, which in turn spikes blood sugar. Exercise, even something as simple as daily walks, helps improve insulin sensitivity. Staying hydrated and getting enough electrolytes can also support your body's transition into ketosis. The biggest misconception about keto is that it's just another fad diet. In reality, it's a sustainable lifestyle that can help prevent serious health issues. Many people who switch to keto not only see their blood sugar stabilize but also experience better energy, fewer cravings, and easier weight management. That if you're looking for a natural way to reverse prediabetes, keto could be the answer. Have you tried low-carb eating to improve your blood sugar? Share your experience in the comments.